Let's get you this breaking update. In a major development, the FBI has now confirmed to Times Now that murder suspect Varun Bachchegari has now been arrested in Germany while allegedly attempting to flee to India. Now, according to the FBI, Varun was taken into custody upon his arrival at the Germany airport following coordinated efforts by the police department and the FBI team and also the legal attaché office in Berlin. Now, the investigators say that he had boarded a flight on the 6th of August with plans to travel to return to his home country. Varun, who is now awaiting extradition to Arizona, where he will be booked in on the charges of first-degree murder and kidnapping. This is now coming across as a major breakthrough in a murder investigation where Akansha, this man, is accused of killing his girlfriend and has now been arrested in Germany after allegedly attempting to flee from the country.
Oh, absolutely. And the confirmation coming in straight from the horse's mouth, which is the Federal Bureau of Investigation, in a query that had been sent by Times Now, the FBI has confirmed that he has indeed been arrested in Germany and is awaiting extradition to Arizona. The FBI says that he's been charged with first-degree murder and that he was making attempts to flee to India. So we'll have to see how soon he's going to be extradited. Yesterday, we at Times Now had also reached out to the Ministry of External Affairs, Amita, to find out if they have been informed about this particular case and about Varun Bachchegari's arrest, to which we are still awaiting a response and perhaps we'll get one today. But it's extremely deeply disturbing to see the way in this has happened, because let's not forget he's being charged with first-degree murder also because the investigation so far has revealed that Julissa Ruiz Salazar, who was 19 years old, had been strangulated. She had been also put through sexual assault. She had also discussed ending her relationship with Bachchegari, according to her roommate, who provided details to the Tucson Police Department after her body was found. So, in fact, the Tucson Police Department has also sent out a press release with regards to how this all was discovered and ensued. Salazar's body had injuries that suggest she was strangulated, and that her scratches around her neck, along with marks on her eyes and face, indicate trauma. And the investigation has also indicated that she has defensive wounds on her body, injuries which are consistent with how there could have been an assault that took place before she was eventually strangulated.
Yes, so according to the FBI and the police department, the accused Varun, who has been taken into custody upon his arrival in Germany and through a coordinated international operation that was carried out. Akansha, please to stay on with us, because